Okay, so you want to change your name. So in this short video, I'm going to show you where you have to go. Very simple. So you're going to have to go to settings here, click on settings, and then here in store details, just click on, here we have store details, just click on this icon, pen, settings, and then here we have store name. Change this to whatever you want. My tech store, whatever you want. You can also change here your add a store email. You can change it to a different email, and then you have a store name. Just click on save, and that's all you have to do. I hope you found this helpful. Short video, but I hope it helped you. You found the answer with this short video. Thanks for watching, and